Hello, guys. This is Lucas, and today is January the 14th, 2024, Sunday. Uh, as a Sunday, just like I did yesterday, this will be a very quick video. I won't spend too much time of your lives, I promise. The Yesterday we talked about the tourniquet, the important of the not of the use, of course, the use as well, but the importance of carrying a tourniquet. I would like to add something to it, taking advantage of the yesterday video and talk about the full first aid kit. I would like to encourage our readers and our watchers to carry a first aid kit. Differently from the tourniquet, you won't be able to carry it in your pocket, for example, as I told you before. So I will prove that I was not lying. I used to carry my tourniquet on my pocket in my pocket the whole day, every day, no matter where I am. The first aid kit, however, is impossible for you to carry, but I would like to keep some first aid kits in some strategic places in order to have access to that equipment, that tools that may help me to provide some kind of assistance in an undesired situation. Even if you don't know how to use your first aid kit, and I believe you should learn, I still believe that you should be carrying your first aid kit because other people who knows how to use it may use your tools in order to provide the assistance for an undesired situation. Does it make sense? I will not talk today about what you should carry inside your kit, but of course, I'll let at least one link for you to check and maybe to buy your first aid kit. Please pay attention to that information. As we know, in 2024, we are sharing daily content to this channel. So, if you didn't do it yet, please subscribe to this channel because this is important, especially for you to improve the way you defend yourself. Our main goal here will be to talk about the combat shooting, how to use your firearms in order to fight, in order to kill, but of course, just like today, we will also have some content regarding some accessories, some behavior that will help you to survive and maybe to take good care of those who rely on you. Does it make sense? I count on you. If you have some content, some subject that you'd like to see here, please write it on the comments. This is very important for us. And check our website, abainternational.us. See you tomorrow.